In this tutorial, we will show you how to convert a 2D image into a 3D model using AI tool Trellis3D and bring it into Unity3D. Whether you're a game developer, artist, or hobbyist, this powerful workflow will help you turn simple 2D images into fully functional 3D assets that you can use in your Unity projects. Trellis3D is an innovative AI-powered tool designed to convert 2D images into 3D models. Leveraging advanced machine learning techniques, Trellis3D allows users to easily generate 3D geometry and structures from flat 2D images, which can then be used in various applications such as game development, animation, virtual environments, and simulations. Let's create one 3D model into Trellis3D AI. After successfully generating the model, download the .glb file from Trellis3D and save it. The .glb file is not directly supported in Unity3D. However, I can use Blender, a free and open-source software, to convert the .glb file into a .fbx file. Now, open Unity3D and import the .fbx file that was exported using Blender. As you can see in the Unity editor, no materials or textures are coming in with the .fbx file. To fix this, I will use Blender again to extract the textures and materials from the model, then import them into the Unity editor. Let's get started. Now, let's import the texture created in Blender into the Unity editor and check it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. Your support helps us create more tutorials like this.